Hello, Olympia Brown Elementary students and families. This is Principal Zach Jacobsmeier, and I'd like to welcome you to our next video newsletter. This video newsletter is actually going to cover the last day in November and get us into the early part of December. I'd like to thank you for your viewership each and every week. I'd like to thank you for taking a couple minutes out of your week to learn more about all the great things that are going on the Old Brown campus and learn more about what's happening each and every day in our school. I also hope that you and your family had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you got a chance to spend some quality time, some great time with family and friends. And if you traveled, I hope that your travels were safe. And we're looking forward to seeing our students next week at Olympia Brown. So as we go through this, you will see that there aren't too many things scheduled for this week, but there are a couple of things that we just kind of want to let you know about that are going on our campus. So Monday, November 30th, the last day of November, we actually have no scheduled events on that day. It is the same story for Tuesday, December 1st. We have no scheduled events on that day. Going into Wednesday, December 2nd, we have our Scanman program for our students in our 5K classes. So that will be Mrs. Jones's class, Mrs. Cawley's class, and Mrs. Hogg's class. You will have the Scanman program, and you will have the Scanman program set up for you on that day. Thursday, December 3rd, we have no scheduled events on that day. And then on Friday, December 4th, we will have one of our other PBIS Fun Fridays. Again, our PBIS Fun Fridays are reserved for students who are exceeding our expectations when it comes to being safe, being responsible, and being respectful and kind. And we will have a very special guest on that day, Dr. Eric Gallion, the Deputy Superintendent. He will visit O Brown to cheer on those Fun Friday winners who are making their way down to the field house to get in some great physical activity, listen to some great music, and have some great fun with other students who are exceeding our expectations in all of our PBIS rules that we have at O Brown. So that's it. Not too much going on this week. That does it for the last day in November and the early part of December. As always, if you ever have any questions, concerns, you need anything, don't be afraid to get a hold of us. At O Brown, we're pretty easy to get a hold of us. Just let us know how we can better help you. So again, I hope that everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and we are looking forward to seeing everybody next week at O Brown. Thank you, everybody, and have a great weekend.